Today's tip is on creating sections in your Google Forms. Here's a quiz that I've already created, and I have a question about what period you're in and then a question about candy bars and colors. But let's say that I want to make some sections. So for example, if they answer that they are in A1, I want them to have both of these questions. A2 can only have this one and A3 will only have this one. To do that, once I've got this question, I'm going to click on this button here for Add a Section. It looks like a big fat equal sign at the bottom of your menu. When I click on that, it's going to pop up right below the question that I had selected. If it's in the wrong location, you can just click on the three buttons or the three dots and move it. But I'm going to create this section. This is section A1, just for those students who need both of these questions. Now, I could just create another section and copy these questions down, but I'm going to duplicate this section. And so then there's the second one, here's the third one. I'm going to change this to A2. Oops. And I'm going to delete this question. And I'm going to duplicate this section again for my A3. So there's the third one. I'm going to move this section down. I want to move it down so that it's here. I'm going to rename it A3. And on this one, I am getting rid of the candy bar question. So I'm going to delete that. So now I have A3 with just the color, A2 with just the candy bar, and A1 with both questions. And what I want is for this question to just go to a section based on their answer here. So I go to the three dots that are at the bottom of this question, and I say go to a section based on an answer. So if they answer A1, I want them to go to the next section. If they answer A2, I want them to go to the A2 section. And if they go to A3, answer A3, go to the A3 section. I can change this one to the A2 section so that it knows A1, A2, A3. And then once I'm done, this is what it'll look like for the students. They answer a question based on A1, they hit next. It takes them to these two questions. If they were to select A3 and hit next, they would only see their one question. This is useful when you're working with students who need accommodations, or even if you just want to direct their questions. If they answer a question incorrectly, you can take them to something that has a video and some more questions for them to get some remediation and feedback. I hope you find this useful, and if you have any questions, let me know.